Turn your thoughts into riches, step-by-step guide. From knowing to doing. In previous videos, we learned that wealth is not just the numbers in your bank account. Wealth starts in your mind, by getting to know yourself and changing from the inside out. But now the real question is, after I know myself, what's next? How do I turn that awareness into real action, into money, growth, and results? This is where most people get stuck. They read books, they watch motivational videos, they feel inspired for a while. But nothing really changes. Because knowing is not enough. Wealth is the reward for conscious action. As Jim Rohn once said, motivation gets you started. Habit gets you going. So today, we're going to connect the dots, from self-knowledge to self-improvement. From mindset to method. This is the science of wealth creation. Rule number 1, wealth starts in the mind. Wealth doesn't start in your bank account. Wealth starts in your thoughts. When you believe you can, your mind will find a way. When you don't, even the best opportunities will pass you by without you even realizing it. A poor mind says, I can't afford it. A rich mind says, how can I afford it? This small change in language changes everything. Napoleon Hill said it best. Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Here's a small but powerful exercise. Every morning, before you check your phone or start your day, write down a sentence about your worth. Something like, I create value, not just income. Or, I am on a path to financial growth because I am growing as a person. These aren't just words, they are commands to your subconscious. And your mind always understands what is said over and over again. Rule number 2, time is your hidden capital. Money can be lost and regained. But time, you never get it back. The difference between the poor and the rich isn't just how they spend their money, it's how they invest their time. The poor react to life. Design your life richly. Ask yourself, how much of my day is spent on growth? And how much is spent on distraction? Robin Sharma once said, don't live a year 75 times and call it life. If you want real financial growth, you need to master your time. Make sure that each day brings you a little closer to your goals. Try this simple exercise. Pick one day each week to focus solely on your financial growth, learning, planning, building. That focused day can completely change your trajectory.
Rule number 3, discipline and consistency build wealth. Talent gets attention. But discipline builds empires. No success can last without structure. Wealth grows from daily habits, not luck. Successful people are not special, they are consistent. They follow the 1% rule. Get 1% better every day. Read 1 page today, 2 pages tomorrow. Save $1 today, $2 tomorrow. Small improvements add up faster than you think. As James Clear wrote in Atomic Habits, you don't reach the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. This means that your success doesn't come from wishful thinking, it comes from systems that make progress inevitable. Your challenge is: choose a financial habit and practice it for 30 days. Examples: track your daily expenses. Read a page from a financial journal. Write a new idea to increase your value. Remember, discipline creates freedom. Consistency creates confidence. And both create wealth. From knowing to doing. Now it's time to connect it all together. You have learned who you are. You have changed your mindset. You have organized your time. You have developed discipline. Now, create your wealth diary. This is your personal roadmap to growth. Draw 3 columns and fill them in each week. 1. What did I learn this week? 2. What actions did I take? 3. What changed in me? This is how your inner transformation becomes visible wealth. And remember the words of Swami Vivekananda. Take an idea. Make that idea your life, think about it, dream about it, live that idea. If that idea is growth, you will never need to chase money. Because money will chase your growth. The end of the real journey. Wealth is not a destination. It's a journey, a process of becoming more. Wealth starts in your mind, grows with your discipline, and shines through your actions. So today, don't just say you want to be rich. Instead, say, I am ready to build myself, and my wealth will follow. If you feel that way, write in the comments. I will apply knowledge. Because that's how real wealth begins. Thank you very much for watching this video. We hope that the information provided was useful to you. Be sure to follow us to benefit from more new and informative content. Also, watch our past videos on ways to gain wealth and financial success and use the tips and tricks presented in them. Your comments and suggestions are very valuable to us. We look forward to seeing you again in our next videos.